My name is Jonelle Mikulovich. I'm a 4th grade teacher at Bellevue Elementary. The grant actually stemmed from a conference that I went to last summer, bringing engineering, the whole pieces of STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, and getting the students involved with hands-on in the process of designing, building, analyzing, all of that. So I thought that if anything it would motivate students, and Say Yes was a good time to use that, where kids could then take their learning further. And what they've done here, if you see with their simple machines, is they're trying to find a way to make work easier. It goes right to the 4th grade science curriculum. So the kids they actually built the simple machines, and then the next step is they're going to go through and test the simple machines. And the end result is to create a sub-factory system that they're going to choose 3 of the simple machines that works best to bring their load, which it's a certain weight. We're going to connect it to literature as well, and they're going to see which is easier to make the work.